Singhad and Manpur were two neighboring kingdoms. Singhad was more powerful kingdom than Manpur. Once upon, issues regarding border disputes were increased so much that they could not solve it by mutual understanding, so both kingdoms declared war. In earlier time, king before going on war used to ask astrologer about own fortune. Singhad and Manpur's king also went to their astrologers. Singhad's astrologer told, "Majesty, according to your fortune, success is assured." By listening this, King of Singhad got much excited and felt happy. While on other side, Manpur's astrologer told, "Majesty, according to your fortune, the hope of losing the war is certain, because the position of your stars are not correct. You should gather all necessary requirements for rescue of yourself and your kingdom. If it is possible, then surrender yourself. In this way, there will be no loss due to war." After failing of peace talks and declaration of war, quitting was considered a great insult. Manpur's king thought much about the views of astrologer and again called his army. Then for the war began to be practiced day and night by Manpur's army. On evocation by Manpur's king, many people joined army and day-night practice was done. Due to hard practice before war, Manpur's army found their weakness and made correction in them. While thinking about success in war, there was environment of celebration in Singhad. Dance and prom were held whole day and night. All thought in Singhad that their victory is definite, so the powerful soldiers of Singhad also participated in full enjoyment. On decided date, frightful and horrific war took place. Weak-looking force of Manpur showed their indomitable courage. In war field, moral of Singhad's army, who were thinking about their success, surrendered against the prowess of Manpur's army. After losing, Singhad's king went in anger to his astrologer and questioned, "You have told that my victory was definite, then why I failed?" Singhad's astrologer said, "Majesty, in your fortune, the victory was definite, but in situation of war, you created the environment of joy, then your destiny also slept." On the other hand, losing the war was assured in Manpur's king destiny, but he did hard work. By seeing his hard work, his destiny also supported him. He not only gained success in war, but also won his destiny and raised his sleeping luck. Destiny supports hard work. If you might have done little effort, then you would have never failed. After listening this, Singhad's king realized his mistake, apologized for his behavior, and decided to never sit with trust on destiny. My dear brothers and sisters, we all are interested in knowing our destiny through astrology, but sitting and waiting for destiny to arise isn't the solution. We can't gain anything only by destiny. Destiny only shows the path, but to follow that path decides our goal. You can change the story written in your destiny according to your own. Do something instead of sitting in support of destiny. I hope you learn something from this inspirational story. Subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.